Welcome to the Lluna Designs Travel Planner. If we have the generic planner, as preliminary steps, we will fill in the destination fields and those in the information about the destination box. We can also include a photo of the destination in the designated box by going to the Insert menu, selecting Image, and then Insert Image in cell. Now, we will select the date on which we want to start our trip and the day we plan to end it. Next, we will select the symbol of our local currency and the position where we want it to appear throughout the file. Next, we will indicate how many adult travelers and how many children will be on the trip. Now, we move on to the currency converter, where we will indicate our country of origin and the country we are traveling to. This way, the converter will show us the current exchange rate. Below, we can enter a specific amount to see how much the exchange is. Next, we will fill in the budget we have for each aspect of the trip. If we need new categories, we can add them in the customizable section. In the Travel Reservations and Expenses tab, we will fill in the tables with the options we choose. Flights, accommodations, car rentals, tours and tickets, restaurants, and travel insurance are the default categories. In the Other Expenses table, in the Category column, we can select what we have added to the customizable section of the Travel Summary tab. Once we start selecting or booking items for our trip, we can mark them as chosen or reserved in the corresponding section, and they will be counted in the Budget section of the Travel Summary. In the case of the Other Expenses table, the rows marked as paid will be counted. In the travel checklists, we can add or remove tasks related to the trip. Once completed, we can mark them off to show progress on this sheet and in the travel summary. Similarly, in the Packing List tab, we can add or remove items we want to take on the trip for each person, specify quantities if needed, and mark off those we have already packed. In the Places to Visit tab, we will see that several locations are already filled in. If we want to visit any of them, we can mark them and set a date to keep track. Additionally, if we hover over the address box, a window will appear with a map of its location. In this same sheet, we have blank tables where we can add places that are not already listed. If we want to include a map, first type its symbol in the address field, followed by the name or address of the place to visit. Once the desired place appears in the search box, select it, and it will be added, allowing us to view the map. Finally, in the Daily Itinerary tab, we can fill out a calendar with the route and places we want to visit. The dates are automatic and the calendar is divided into 15-minute intervals. We also have several itineraries available for 3, 7, and 10 days, which we can use as examples or further customize. Thank you for choosing the Lluna Designs Travel Planner.